Okay, now due to some technical problem we have to stop this. Okay, now what is cost of goods sold I have explained here, that is opening stock plus purchase plus direct expenses minus closing stock. Why closing stock we deduct? Because this is not a cost of sales, because stock is lying in your factory, you are not selling it, so this cost should be minus from the cost of sales. So that is, if you minus the cost of production from cost of production to closing stock, that is your cost of sales or cost of goods sold. So that's again we can use the cost of goods sold in case of working capital. Now come to the third number. That is, another turnover ratio is stocks turnover ratio. Stock turnover ratio is very important ratio. Stock turnover ratio. Now what is the formula of stocks turnover ratio? Now here also, in case of stock, though there is a name of turnover, you should use it cost of goods sold, COGS. And what is denominator? That is average stock. Why this is average stock? Because we are not using sale in case of stocks turnover ratio. Why we are not using the sale? Because the same logic, because stock is means you are not selling the stock, you are not selling the stock. Okay, stock is here not sale, so you cannot take the compared with the things, you cannot make any relation with sale of the stock. Okay, so you have to make relation with cost of goods sold, cost of goods sold, not the sales. Okay, because your stock is not yet not sell. Stock means that the goods you are not yet sell, that's lying in your factory. So you should compare with the symmetrical. Whenever the comparison is made, or any relation with made, is a symmetrical manner. Okay, whenever you make any difference, that there will be some similar thing, that there is a difference is coming. Here also, whenever you actually seeing what is cost of goods sold in case of stock, so there is no net sale will be used, because sale is not important in case of stock. Cost of goods sold is important, so you use the cost of goods sold. Okay, cost is important because in because whenever you purchase the thing, that is in at cost. So if you relations with sales, the sales price is different. Suppose one product sales price cost is purchase price is 150 and sale price is 200. So there is a 50 rupees difference between sales and purchase price, and this 50 rupees is your profit. So you cannot purchase price, you cannot make any relation with sales. So stock we actually purchase in a cost, at cost. So you should tally with the cost only, not the sales price. Okay, so that's why I take the actually cost of goods sold, not the sales, in case of stock turnover ratio. I am saying that because this concept would be clear for you, and there you do not remember this formula, you can easily understand why this actually coming. You can anytime you can, if the concept is building, concept is in within you, then you can easily the ratio formula easily you can understand. Okay, with the stocks turnover ratio, there is sales. Why not sales is used? Then automatically you can remember, say in the case of stock turnover ratio, cost of goods sold is why? Because the average stock is not actually is lying in your factory, is not actually related with sale. that related with cost. So we actually use it numerator in case of stock, we the numerator is cost of goods sold. Okay. So now why you use the stock in case of stock, average stock? Why we are using the average stock? Now in your class 11, the only thing in your final accounts come two times, that is stock. One is opening stock, one is closing stock. Okay. If you see the cash is come one times in your total account. The bank is come one time in total account. Machinery is comes total one time in total of your final accounts, but stocks comes to the two times, so trading account also and your balance sheet also. Okay. And there is a opening stock and closing stock also. There is a opening stock in closing stock also. So you have to adjust, you have to take the average of stock, what is opening stock and closing stock. So what is average stock? Average stock means opening stock plus closing stock, and you know how we will reveal the average. So there is a two things, so divided by 2, then automatically you get the average stock. So that's the way you have to reveal the stock turnover ratio. There are other turnover ratios there that we will discuss tomorrow. Up to that, is there any problem? Orpida, Saurodeep, is there any problem? Just write in your chat box. Screen ta black asche. Screen is a totally very, that time there was a power cut for that technical reason. I didn't see the board actually. No sir. Have you understood, or is there any problem? No problem. Okay, then this is the end of the class. Now just continue your BST class. The next topic happen. So thank you for watching. Thank you. No problem sir. Okay, thank you.